Farahnos Sharafova Farahnos Subhan was born on January 1, 2003 in the vast district of the Catlon region. She entered the stage in 2019 to 2020. At that time, she was only 16 years old. Shahrukh, a friend of Roostom Amamali, brought this youthful memory to the circle of friends. On the first night of Hafizi in the company of friends, Rustam, who was intoxicated, put 16-year-old Faranazi to bed and forced him to do it to her. This girl was kept hostage in the house for a week on the personal orders of Roostom Amamali, and every night the drug addict Roostom came and sexually exploited her. Then he was released. Roostom and Shahruk emphasize and threaten that you will not tell anyone about this incident. If we hear from anyone about this incident, we will destroy you and your entire family. To which they respond with threats. After this incident, the poor girl could not leave the house for several months due to fear and panic.